cozy too. Ba-ba through the night, gentle friends day and night.
Fluffy wool and gentle eyes, grazing under sunny skies. A buzz so soft, such a delight.
Perfect friends just right. In the fields where they play, sheep are happy every day, giving us wool, soft and neat, a fun and gentle flock to meet. Hear them baa and see them graze. Sheep are lovely in so many ways, full of wool and energy, a perfect friend for you and me. Guess this animal fluffy kind, woolly and gentle you'll always find, filled with warmth, can't be beat, gentle friends day and night. Sheep, wool for you, soft and warm and cozy too. Ba-ba through the night, gentle friends day and night.